Hey, you two, welcome back. So today we are going to check out what's inside this Real Graphene. Unfortunately, this one doesn't last long compared to my power bank with the lithium ion. So at first I thought Real Graphene is supposed to be a new technology and will last very, very a long time, but unfortunately it didn't. So it said it could charge up to 1,000 times, and this one is the 10,000 milliamp. This is the charging brick that came with it, with the folding plug for travel. This one's a USB Type-C. So like always, you see the top of the, I'm not sure this is plastic or glass. It seems like it's glass the way he cracked it. I guess if you keep on charging, just like a lithium ion battery with all the smartphones out there, it's going to expand or overcharge. Probably due to the heat. And when I plug this in to charge 100%, after I unplug it and I press this to check the battery level, it just doesn't show anything. So today we are going to open this up. Right here is the Qi charging pad, so I gotta be careful. Although this is a pretty nice build, but it just doesn't last long. That's why maybe the company removed the stock or no longer selling this unit. So let's go ahead and try to pry this out. Hopefully the battery is not gonna explode on me. So there's your coil charging pad right there. So with this, I did pry out slowly. I don't want to crack it and have all the small broken pieces falling down. Seems like just a double-sided tape. And there's like a cross or X. It's coming out. Just have a little patience. If you apply like a heat from the hair dryer, maybe it'd be easier to loosen up the glue. So I will need to unscrew those 4 filler screws. Since the battery is down there, so yeah, the heat caused it to bulge. Here's the screw. So the plate just to hold it down. Wow, even the bottom is under this coil, it is broken in pieces. How the battery bends it and then cracked it. That's a pretty bad design. So this one is the battery right here. And remove this green protector layer. So there's a positive and negative right here, which is go through this circuit board down there. So yeah, it seems like two of the battery pack is stacked up together like that. Yeah, let me get the prying tool. It seems like there's a double-sided tape to hold the battery down there. So yeah, just be sure to be careful because you don't want to puncture the battery. So there's your circuit board right there. Put this right here. Wow, so the bottom one seems like it's glued down there with lots of glue. Let me see. With this flathead screwdriver, put some tape over it so won't puncture the battery. Not sure if I need to remove this plate. I'm going to heat it up, loosen the glue with my hair dryer. Alright, so I heat it up. Since this battery pack is taped together or joined together, I'm going to try to pull out from here. As you can see, you can hear the glue. I'm going to do it slow so it doesn't break the other side of the glass. Oh. So this circuit board is joined together with those connectors. There's a 6 pin right here, and then a 4 pin on this side. So yeah, maybe I could modify and then put 2 of the lithium ion battery back in there so I could reuse this case. Just chop out those terminals right here. Yeah, there you go. This is what's inside this Real Graphene battery pack, and that's a circuit board for the display, your USB 1, USB 2, micro USB charging port right there for input, and then USB Type-C right there for the input, and on and off button right here. As you can see, it doesn't do anything. But let me show you when I plug it in, it will show that it's charging. See, it's showing charging. Well, unfortunately right now it shows dash because the circuit board is out. Let me try to plug this circuit board back in. 所以Alright, so it's showing dash because I think I separate the connector right here. There's this serial connector supposed to be joined to the other side, and unfortunately it got separated now, so anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.